Okay, so for the kimono sleeve, we will be in need of the front bodice, the back bodice, and the sleeve pattern. So how are we going to go about it? We ought to close the shoulder dart and transfer anywhere, but I am not going to close the shoulder dart. I am just going to remove the darts here. So this is 7. My dart is 7, and I am going to curve out this way. So I have my new shoulder line to be this, my shoulder point here, and then my neck point. Okay, these are the traced out, the reeled out pattern. So my back too, I am going to do the same thing there. I'm just going to remove that means I have like 12 here, then I'll join back. So this is my new SP NP, then this place is the SP. So would make sure that the neck points for the back bodies is hitting the neck point of the front bodies. Then you're just going to tape down. The neck point here is hitting the neck point here. Can we see that they meet? This is it. So we're just going to use tape to tape it down. So normally would have another paper underneath because we are going to be tracing out the pattern. But before we do that, let's go to the sleeve pattern. You see, you fold it because it's just the top arm that we need here. We fold it and we make this line meet, like the top arm here is meeting the shoulder point here and the shoulder point here. I hope we are noting that quite alright. So we're going to take a new paper and place it underneath. A new paper, then we'll place it underneath so that we'll be able to, in fact this paper seems like it won't be enough for us, but we are just going to manage it for the sake of this class. Okay, let's see if we wouldn't need anything. So make sure it stays there that way. Make sure it stays there that way, so you can easily extend the line. So this is the line, and we'll make sure that your sleeve is, just make sure that the line is here this way. Okay, then you would draw out your, okay, you would make, majorly the kimono sleeve always join back to a little bit above the waist line, or it joins back to the waist itself. That is the real kimono sleeve, not an armless sleeve that we generally know. But a kimono sleeve is sleeve that is together with the bodice. So this is it. Most of the time it comes this way. It comes this way, you know, we have a curvy sleeve and everything, or we should go in this direction, a little bit above the waist. So for the purpose of this class, I am going to go a little bit above the waist, and that would be 5 centimeters. I'm giving it 5 centimeters, and from this 5 centimeters I'm coming out this way. I'm coming out and I am joining back. I use a straight line, but when I want to curve, I can easily curve it out. And you would place whatever neck you want. You want a deep neck, a sound neck, you want a deep neckline, a round one, V-neck, whatever neck you want, just put it back there. Then for the back bodice too, you would come up by 5 centimeters as well. Then you would do the same. You come out. Okay, let me see the centimeters I should. Okay, I came out with 5.5 centimeters. Then I am joining it back to this line. So it's come like this, something like this, then this too, like this. So let me give you a round neck. I'm going by 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches. So yeah, okay. I don't need this extra paper here again, because I am going to be doing away with my sleeve totally. If I want to keep the sleeve again, I would have kept another paper underneath, so that I'll be able to keep this sleeve and cut the one the original stuff I need. I mean the sleeve I need, the basic bodies I need to get back. So this is it. We are going to see the sewing techniques later. So I don't want to cut from the waist side, so I am just going to, when you cut like this, please don't forget to put your sewing allowance at the next side. Okay, it's like okay. So this is the way I'm going to cut. Let me also add that kimono sleeves, kimono dress generally, they are always free. They are always free. So don't forget that. Don't forget your allowance here. I'm just going to use my discretion. No, I don't have the allowance here. Don't like me. Add your allowance. So we won't remove the dots here. we want to remove the darts. We are just going to work with how free it is there, like just the way it is. So it's because of we forgot this. So this is the kimono sleeve of a top. The kimono sleeve of a top, like you have an extended sleeve for it. It could be shorter. It was just the length that I desired that made us come this way. It could be shorter. Okay, let me just show you how it could be shorter. Like, just imagine me cutting this off. You could take a straight line. You could make it a straight line. It could be shorter. So don't think because I used it that way it's the constant measurement for it. No, it's not a constant measurement for it. But just make sure that whatever you have here is what you have here, so that you won't have a mixed bodies. So this is the hand.